Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are trying on and reviewing the Becca Cosmetics Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This is a brand new product that is available on Becca Cosmetics website and also Sephora and maybe Ulta as well. But I personally purchased this product on Sephora. And let's go ahead and talk about it. It is $38 for 0.35 ounces. Here is the packaging. It has a reflective silver top, very sleek and beautiful, like all of their products. As you can see, the powder inside is very different than a regular setting powder. So let's talk about it. It's an ultra translucent setting powder that sets makeup for extended wear with a revitalizing mist-like effect on skin. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. Ultra fine light reflecting powders float over the skin to smooth and blur the look of the fine lines and imperfections. Reapply it as needed to keep makeup looking fresh all day. So here is the product. As you can see, it has a normal kind of setting powder look to it, but when you touch it, it kind of feels already dampened, and when you blend it into your skin, it kind of almost disappears but leaves a soft powdery finish that is invisible. So it's very interesting, unlike any other powder I've ever used. And in my preference, I only like to set my concealer. I don't set my whole entire face, but I will be showing you a tutorial in how I use this. And I have been using this in the past few days. So I just want to change up my videos because I do want to use the products, actually test them out myself before I give a valid review and response to how I would be using it to make it work for my dry to normal skin. But yes, it's just so that I can help you guys and myself as well for these videos. So moving on to the festival tutorial part of this video, we are going to start with my eyebrows and eye makeup already done, then use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 280 and my MAC Fix Plus and my Sephora Rogue VIB brush that I received for becoming a VIB, which is so exciting. And you can use any foundation brush, but this is actually a great brush in my opinion. So I am also going to be using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 20. I'm also going to be using my Japanese Powdery Beauty Sponge, which is angled. It is brand new on their website and I've been loving it so far. It has been blending out everything beautifully, and I do want to mention that I did choose purposely some lighter shades with my concealer and foundation just because the powder, which is shown here, does have a slight kind of peachy brightening tint to it. So to balance it out, I just wanted to lighten it so that if I use a peachy concealer under it, it's just going to get even more peachier and deeper. So that's just a little tip. I am going to take the dry side of the sponge. This sponge has been dry. I did mist it on one side, but it is not a damp sponge, and that is the reason and the technique that I have found out works the best with this Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh powder. So what I do is I press the dry sponge with the product on it deep into my skin, almost like pressing it really hard. And if you do press it and put some pressure on your dry sponge, then the product works so amazing. And I just wanted to mention that because that's what I found out works the best for my skin. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the limited edition Après Becca Ski Glow face palette and use that Bronze Bondi shade, which is still available individually, $38 on their website. And it's their bronzer, one of their bronzers, one of their sunlit bronzers. And as you can see, it is amazing. It works great as a contour as well. I'm also going to take Winterberry, which is a limited edition kind of shade that isn't available, but if you have this palette, then you can use that shade as well. And I'm also going to take Ice Cold, which is also on my eyes. I'm actually taking the opal shade for the cheeks first and then finishing it off with the Icicle shade, which is unavailable as well and is only available on that face palette and is also applied on my eyes. So now I am taking the Real Her Women Rule the World lipstick, and it is amazing. I cannot believe that I haven't tried this out yet. I did receive it at BeautyCon, I believe, and it is amazing. And to finish this festival look, I'm going to be using my Michaels sticker stars and just applying it everywhere. And my Too Faced favorite setting spray, the Hangover 3-in-1. And that is my video, guys. Here's my finished look. Hope you liked it. Here's a close-up of the product and how it looks on my skin. As you can see, because I pressed it deeply into my skin with a dry sponge, I think it works best that way. Hope I helped you out. If you are interested in buying the Becca Hydra-Mist and Refresh powder and you have dry to normal skin like me. And that was my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys all next time in my next video. Bye guys!